welcome. Just a girl from Toronto doing her thing. So if you want to rock with me, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button as well as your bell notifications and like, comment, and share. I'd really appreciate it. Hey everyone, it's your girl Tasha and I'm back with another video. This time I'm up in Niagara. The weather hasn't been that great, but it's alright. It's still chilly out. I didn't even prepare for this coldness, so I had to do a couple errands while I was up here and grab a sweater because I literally forgot my jacket. Like, who does that? Tosh, you live in Canada. What are you thinking? So I just want to take y'all around me a bit. Yeah, let's hold a vibe, you know? Okay, so we just got here and we're gonna go look for some food. When I first got there, the weather was not that great. It was rainy, it was cold, but I was like, as long as I get my pizza today, then we're okay. You know, as long as you have your food and you have a nice place to stay, then it can go on, you know? Have you guys ate at the Wood Oven before? Oh, let me know what you ordered from there. I've been ordering just the same pizza. I did not pack properly for this trip, so now I have to find a jacket or a big hoodie to wear. You would think I would pack properly, but literally I wasn't thinking it was gonna be this cold. Plus I wore like a big sweater coming out the house, so I wasn't thinking to put my jacket on. We're gonna fix on this now. Hey guys, so we're heading down to the falls. It was kind of cold on the way walking down, but getting closer, it's not as cold. We out here. The falls is so pretty, guys. I took off my mask for a minute. There's nobody around me, so I was like, it's okay. But out here, it's really cold right now, but it's really nice. Like, it's not as windy as it was yesterday, so I wasn't able to come out here as much as I wanted to. I can see the falls so nicely from my room. I hope I can get a bit for you guys here. Hold on. I just want to see. I'll make sure you guys see it, even if you can't see it now. But are you guys to comment? Let me know, what do you guys do when you guys come out to Niagara? They said that the racetrack was open, or the, what's it called? The go-karting. I didn't end up going there. It just opened up, and I don't really get out as much. Like gradually I will, because it just opened like 2 days ago. So maybe when I come back I'll do that. But let me know what you guys do out here. Like I usually just walk around the falls and I get my favorite food, which is my pizza. You guys probably see me eating that. I couldn't wait to come. I feel like I really mostly came because of it, to the point where I literally forgot my jacket. So I literally had to go and get things that I can wear in this weather, because I'm here thinking that it was going to be warmer. So I ended up having to go and get some sweaters at Walmart, which is what I'm wearing right now. You can't really see, but I just wanted to make sure that I was at least warm. Yeah, it's not as big as it normally would, but it's very chill and quiet for the most part. I'm going to show you guys the falls. The wind's seriously trying to blow me away out here. Sorry, I should have seen it yesterday. It was fighting me, literally fighting me. Yo, yesterday when I was out here, my phone literally just shut off on me. And then I was like, I'm gonna go back to my hotel, charge my phone, come back out. By the time I did all that, plus it was so cold outside, I was just like, you know what, I'll wait till tomorrow when it gets better out here and it's so much nicer. Like I literally had to go and buy a hoodie, but today it's nicer. Don't worry, I'm back at the same spot because I really wanted to show you guys. It's actually a much better view today. Yesterday was so wanted churros, so I'm gonna go get some churros and pizza to bring back home. Until next time, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.